Hey guys, what we're going to do is go over recording your screen in OBS. It's pretty straightforward. Right here you can see under the sources there's a display capture. We need to go ahead and add that if you don't have that yet. That is how you get the screen to actually come up here. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and push plus, display capture. You can name it what you like. Click OK. And then you'll have something like this. And just click OK again. Now you can resize your screen any way you want, and it works the same as other video inputs as well, in that you can go ahead and hold Alt to crop down the screen. So if you just wanted to show, if I only wanted to show you, let's say I wanted to show you only this part of the screen, and then I wanted to make this bigger, I could do that. I could do pretty much whatever you can think of in terms of multiplication and changing the shapes of things and the size of things. But yeah, that's how you do it. You just add a display capture under sources, and then you're off to the races. You guys have a good day.
Is it too good to be true? I want this so much, but don't know if I can trust you. My mind's racing fast, trying to find the red flags I'm used to.